southwestern Providence counties through 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Foster, or 8 miles north of Coventry, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include pea-sized hail. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Warwick, Cranston, Coventry, West Warwick, Johnson, North Kingstown, Killingly, East Greenwich, Scituate, Gloucester, Richmond, Exeter, West Greenwich, Foster, and Stirling. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed.